Hi guys, it's me Sia and today we are at the launch of Tata's vehicle. See, it's so nice, right? I met the chairman, the designer and everybody.
Alright, so we're here at the unveiling of the Avinya, Tata's latest concept car. You already saw the unveiling of the Curve, that was the Gen 2 platform. Gen 1 is of course the Tata Nexon and the Tata Tigor. Gen 3 is Avinya. Avinya is slotted to come out by 2025. So you can see the car behind me right now. Unlike previous Tata electric vehicles, this is not a retrofit. This is an EV built from the ground up. So right away that sets it apart from all of the other Tata EVs. There is also the fact that this car is going to come with 500 kilometers of range and it is packed with tech features. Tata has said that they want to become a global tech company and not just an EV company. So it will be interesting to see what they do with this car to take that vision forward. We don't have much details unfortunately about the Gen 3 platform, just like the Gen 2 platform. They've just unveiled it. They've not revealed many of the features just yet, but expect more details on that soon. We don't even know the price, but based on the features that they are providing that we do know about, we are estimating that the car will cost about between 30 and 40 lakh rupees, but Tata also intends to start producing batteries in India, so that could give them a cost advantage and bring the cost of the car down to maybe 30 lakh rupees or under 30 lakh rupees. It will probably be ready by the latter half of the 2020s. You will likely see more Gen 1 and Gen 2 cars on the road, including the Nexon and the Tigor and so on. But I want to emphasize how important a step this is with regard to the fact that so far Tata's EVs have been retrofits, whereas this will be an EV built from the ground up. So if Tata wants to keep advancing in the EV space, they absolutely must have electric cars built from the ground up, electric cars that were always meant to be electric cars, not petrol cars. So let's see what they do with that going forward. And yeah, I'm quite excited to see what the final shape of the car is, and we will share more details with you as they come.
These are my three biggest moments of today. First of all, the car is very nice and I loved it. Second of all, I love the logo. It's so futuristic. The third is I met Mr. Chandra and Mr. Sailesh from Tata Motors and I really enjoyed it, and it's one of the biggest days in my life.